sweet darlings. Oh, you do look divine. I'm so late because I just couldn't find a taxi.
Linda Marlowe, musa di Steven Berkoff e icona del teatro inglese, in questo periodo è ospite a Milano con ben 2 spettacoli.
I think violence and sex is not just British. I think it's over the entire world. I think there's probably more violence and sex in a lot of the third world countries everywhere. I mean, I just think everywhere has violence and sex. Pubs are a particularly English thing, but bars are not. So no, I think it works for, well, I don't know if it does. I've no idea. I'll have to ask some Italians whether they think it works.
Fino al 29 marzo Linda Marlowe è al Teatro dell'Elfo con Berkoff's Women e dal 1 al 6 aprile al Teatro della Contraddizione con The World's Wife.
I do lots of plays that are written by women, of course I do, no I do, but mostly all my shows, because I've got 7 shows, I mean they always sort of address women's issues and sort of feminism in some way. What I think is interesting about this one, Berkoff's Women, is that he's a satirist. So he makes a satire, he overblows these characters, he makes them larger than life. But he's the one that wrote that speech, which is a truly feminist.
E non può mancare poi una dichiarazione di amore per il nostro paese.
Oh, I love Italy. Well, I mean, I've been to Italy many, many times to different places.